Today is Monday, December 22nd. This is the 1965, 1966, both Cadillac and Oldsmobile electrical turn signal switch assembly. So the turn signal switches in 1965 and 1966 used an electromechanical design. There's a mechanical turn signal switch inside the column, and at the bottom of the column, at the foot of the base of the column, we have the electrical switch, which is actuated by a draw rod, and that actuates the electrical part in concert with the draw rod being moved up and down. And what we have here is a different mounting, which is what differentiates the Cadillac variant from the Oldsmobile variant. So I'm going to be doing the functional validation test. I'm going to go ahead and apply power, and we're going to test the turn signals after having totally rebuilt this unit. I'm going to connect to the power feed, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to illuminate right here. Get this within the screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply power, and we'll be looking for the light bulbs to come on. So right here we have right and left, nothing happens because we're in right hand mode, and that's right hand front, right hand rear, right hand front, right hand rear. Now we'll go to left hand mode and left hand front, left hand rear, left hand front, left hand rear, and when I touch the right hand, nothing happens because we're in the left hand mode. Okay, left hand front, left hand rear. So this is the 1965-1966 Oldsmobile. This specific one is Toronado, Oldsmobile Toronado electrical turn signal switch. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage GM items from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels and the tilt and telescopic steering columns, including these electrical switches and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac and General Motors items, such as these Oldsmobile electrical turn signal switches and the tilt and telescopic steering columns for the Delta 88s, Dynamic 88, Starfires, and Oldsmobile Toronado. Today is Monday, December 22nd. Thank you very kindly.